Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make a very tasty chocolate roll cake. This is so simple to make and everyone enjoys it. So let's start by preparing a baking tray. If you have a square or a rectangle pan, you can use that. I'm using a round pan. Just grease it and place a parchment paper on top of it and keep it ready. Now let's make the cake batter. Into a large bowl, add 3 room temperature egg, pour some vanilla essence and whisk it. Add some powdered sugar and blend it again. You need to blend this mixture till this changes to a pale yellow color and frothy. Scrape down the sides and let's mix the dry ingredients. Into a flour sifter, add in flour, cocoa powder, salt, baking powder and baking soda. Sift it into the wet ingredients and blend it. Once all the dry and wet ingredients are mixed together, scrape down the sides, then our cake batter is ready. Now let's pour the cake batter into the cake tray. Now slowly spread it to all the sides. Tap the tray to get rid of all the air bubbles from the batter. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 10 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now I took out the cake from the cake tin and trimmed down the sides. If you are using a square or a rectangle pan, you don't have to do this. Now roll the cake with the parchment paper and keep it aside for around 30 minutes and allow it to cool down. Now after 30 minutes, take out the cake and peel out the parchment paper from the cake. Now you can fill this with whipped cream, jam, chocolate chips, chocolate ganache or anything which you like. Even with the whipped cream, you can add some fruits or chocolate chips. I decided to go with the simple whipped cream. Now roll the cake with the cream and cover it tightly with the parchment paper. Now refrigerate this for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, our roll cake is completely set. You can trim down the sides. You can have it just like that, but I decided to go with some decorations. So I poured some chocolate ganache on top. Now again refrigerate this for 5 minutes so that the ganache will get set. Now once the ganache is slightly set, take it out from the refrigerator, transfer it onto a serving plate. Pipe out some florets with the whipped cream. And let's finish it off with some chocolate curls. Our super tasty and yummy roll cake is ready. This chocolate ganache and whipped cream add more taste to this cake. Let's cut out a big slice from this. Now let's enjoy a big slice of roll cake. This chocolate ganache with whipped cream. Oh, it's so delicious. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.